my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to talk about how to get runway shoes. So runway shoes are very fascinating part of fashion modeling. This is something where you are going to experience a lot of fame. Basically you have to perform live and you will be walking and a lot of people will be watching you. So it is a very fascinating thing for all the models. Runway modeling is the real meaning of the glamorous life of a model. Runway modeling you can do freelance and as well as with agency. If you want to know the agency for runway shows, stay tuned till the end of this video to know the best runway agency in India. Let's see how you can get into it, starting with requirements. First and most important thing is the height. That female has to be 5'7" and above and male has to be 6 and above. This is strictly because for runway they need taller models, so you really need to be fitting in this criteria of height. Next is your body type. For runway modeling you need to be very lean, you need to be skinny, like you must have seen a lot of international shows where the models are like very lean. So for India as well you need to be lean and in a good body shape. But there are a lot of brands who takes plus size model and even shorter height models, even like a quirky look, but that is a rare case in this industry. Unique feature and different ethnicities are always welcome in this industry, so if you are one of them then it is going to be a plus point. Every designers want to show different diversity in their runway, so if you come from the different backgrounds of India then it is going to be good for you. Important things to keep in mind before becoming a runway model. Most important thing is that you should know a very good runway walk. It is a very important thing because you are going to be a runway model and you are going to walk on runway, so that is what you need to learn and you need to practice every day and daily, because it is a very difficult thing because you will be wearing a lot of different kind of outfits, big heels, you will have to walk on runway, so you need to master your walk. That is the most important thing. Now a lot of you must be thinking, how do we do that? So either you can take runway walk classes. There are a lot of classes available in the market. You can go to them and you can learn a very good runway walk. There are two different kind of runway walk. That is a complete whole thing to understand. But basics is that you can learn from a teacher or a mentor. Or else if you want to learn it by yourself, then you will have to do mirror practicing, which is just walk in front of mirror and just try to see a lot of videos of international models walking, Indian models walking, how they walk in Western outfits, how they walk in Indian outfits, and then try to get into yourself and then try to get that body language into yourself and do it in front of the mirror, and that is how you are going to improve slowly and slowly. Practice wearing heels as long as possible because you will have to wear heels throughout the day. That is what is the most difficult part of runway modeling. And don't worry, I'm going to come up with a video runway walking and I'm going to share all the tips and tricks in that video, so stay tuned with it. If you are planning to become a runway model, you need to be very patient because it takes a lot of things. You'll have to wait entire day in your heels and it takes a lot out of you. The prep is more important than the actual walk because it takes a lot of time. You have to try different kind of outfits and you'll have to practice your walk. There is hair and makeup. The walk will be like for 10 seconds, but the preparation before the walk is a lot. So you need to be very patient with it. To be a part of a fashion show, you'll have to crack a casting. So let's see how to do it. Castings can be in two ways, either online or offline, or it can be both ways. So the most important thing is, again, you will need to know a very good walk. You will need to be very confident while you are walking. So that is what you need to practice. Let's talk about online casting. Here the client is going to ask for a walk video online. So like you share your Polaroids, same way you'll have to share your walk video. What you need to wear for your walk video, the same things you wear for your Polaroids: black fitted top, black fitted bottoms, and no makeup, open hair, just down, no hairstyle, nothing. For male, same, black fitted top, black fitted bottoms, no makeup, no hairstyle, no hair gel. Very basic and simple. Try to make it in good lighting. If possible, make it on terrace, like a very in a natural light. So you can walk for like some meters and then you can turn and then go back again. So this kind of walk video you will need to send to the client online. That'll be your online casting. And offline casting, there you have to go for the castings. They are going to explain everything what you need to do. You know, they'll ask you to walk 2-3 times, and if they need some changes, if they want you to smile while walking, they'll tell you. If they want a very strong walk, they'll tell you that also. So offline casting is a bit simpler, but you have to make sure that you wear complete black outfit. You can wear slight makeup but not a lot of very heavy makeup. You need to carry your heels. That is the most important thing. For males, there is no heel required. You need to wear a black shoes. That is going to work for males. So a lot of people think that posing while walking is a very good idea, but it is not. I am going to share the tips and tricks, but here's a small trick that you do not do anything on your own. Just look for what they are asking you to do and just deliver that. Don't do extra. It is not at all needed in this industry. Don't forget to carry all these things, and also make sure that you take or you give your contact to the right person, because to take the updates about the show or to connect in future. How to know about casting? So you will need to follow all Fashion Week pages, and you can also follow all the designers. Sometimes designers do their individual shows. For that they cast through their Instagram that they are looking for models for fashion show. So you can follow them and you can see where they are casting and you can connect to them directly. That will be the best thing. And there are some particular people who only work for fashion shows, so you can connect with them. If you want to know who are they, stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm going to share their names. And if you are with an agency, you can directly ask to your agent that you want to do fashion shows, so they can share their agent's detail directly to you. So let's see what are the agencies for runway shows. One of them is Runway Lifestyle. With the name you will understand that it is for runway. It is a normal agency, but mainly they are the one who manages all the fashion weeks in the industry. So if you want to specially only do runway shows, then you should join Runway Lifestyle. And the next agency is Times Talent. They are also a very good agency who provides a lot of runway shows, so you can join them as well. Almost every agency pushes their models for runway shows, but these are the two agencies who provide a lot of models to the shows. Like majority models doing runway shows are from these agencies. So if you get any one out of these, you'll be very much into runway shows. Let's see top fashion weeks of India. Biggest is Lakme Fashion Week. Now it's Lakme Fashion Week x FDCI. Others are India Couture Week, India Runway Week, and Blenders Pride Fashion Tour. These are the shows handled by Runway Lifestyle. Other shows are Pune Times, Bombay Times, Bangalore Times, and Delhi Times. These are handled by Times Talent. Like I said, there are many individual shows as well. These are the fashion weeks, but there are individual shows as well by the designers, brands, and a lot of other companies. So you can also follow up to that. And if you want to do all these shows as a freelance, and if you want to know the people of concern, so you can follow these people on Instagram and you can DM them in a very professional way that you are looking forward to do these kind of fashion shows and fashion week. So they are going to see what they can do for you. So let's see what are the payment expectations out of runway shows. For both male and female, it can go from 5,000 per show till 1 lakh per show, and this is just for models, not for showstoppers. Let's see what are the major benefits of doing runway shows. First thing is that for fashion shows, lot of Bollywood people are there. Like you will find all the directors, all the celebrities, they go for the fashion shows. And if you are walking the show, there are higher chances that you will come into notice, and they definitely watch the show. So you have a very good opportunities if you want to step into acting and Bollywood. During Fashion Week, the whole fashion industry is right there. So you anyway going to get fame in the industry, but with that there are a lot of brands and designers and even magazines during the Fashion Week and shows. and if they like your confidence on stage or even at the show, they are definitely going to get connected to you. So it is a very big opportunity and a big exposure for all the models. If you want to come in the limelight, then fashion shows are the one which can get you there. Soon this season is going to start, so stay tuned and stay connected to all the things I have explained in this video, and be ready for the fashion week and the season. All the best to everyone. I hope you liked it, and if you have any doubt, do comment and let me know how can I help you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.